the ways or formulas in finding the equation of a line. So, here's the table. Okay, so ano po ang gagawin natin? So, first, you're going to look at the given. So, titingnan natin palagi kung ano ba ang given natin. So, kapag ang given natin is slope and y-intercept, then we will be using the slope-intercept form or the y equals mx plus b to find the equation of a line. Ulitin ko, ang una po natin gagawin is to look for the given. So, if the given are slope and y-intercept, then we will be using this formula. Okay? Now, if the given are a point, 1 point, and a slope, then we will be using the point-slope form. Why? Because this is your point, 1 point, and then your slope. So, kapag ito ang given natin, ang gagamitin natin ay point-slope form. Ito po siya. Ito po yon. And then, if you will be given 2 points, kapag binigyan ka po ng 2 points, so x sub 1 and y sub 1, etong sub na to, this means this is your first point. Etong sub 2 na to, this means this is your second point. So, kapag dalawang point ang given sa inyo at pinapahanap ang equation of the line, given ang 2 points, hindi slope, hindi y-intercept, 2 points po, then we will be use 2-point form. So, this is the formula to find the equation of a line. Now, if the given are x and y-intercept, so kapag ang given naman ay x and y-intercept, which is represented by A and B. So, kapag itong dalawa ang binigay si x-intercept, binigay si y-intercept, then we will use the intercept form. Ano ba yung intercept form? Ito po yun. X over A plus y over B equals 1. So, ito po ang gagamitin natin. But remember, your A and B should not be equal to 0. So, dapat hindi equal to 0 ito kasi mag-undefined siya. Now, what if x ang given? So, what if x-intercept lang ang given natin, which is your A? Then, we will have x is equal to A. So, kapag ang given natin ay x-intercept lang, then that means that x-intercept is exactly the equation of a line. Okay? Same as, ganun din po sa ating y-intercept. Kapag y-intercept lang po ang given, and the graph of course is a horizontal line, then, the equation of a line should be y is equal to b. So, itong b na to is kung ano yung given ng y-intercept. Now, but this time, we will focus first on the slope-intercept form. Okay, so the slope-intercept form, so dapat ang given natin ay m, the slope, and your b, which is your y-intercept. So remember, the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Now, abangan nyo po yung ibang video natin kasi ito po ang susunod nating i-discuss. So let us continue. So, how are we going to find the equation of a line given a slope and y-intercept? So, we all know that, so this is the formula, okay? The y equals mx plus b. This is what we call the slope-intercept form. So, ito yung tinatawag nating slope-intercept form. Now, how will you know that that is the slope? Minsan, ang binibigay is slope mismo. Nilalagay nila yung word na slope. Sometimes, it is just represented by m. So, m represents a slope. Okay? And then your y-intercept, which is also represented by small letter b. So, ito po siya. So, kapag m at b, slope at y-intercept ang given natin, then we will use the slope-intercept form. So, this is one way. So, isa lang po ito sa mga paraan upang makita natin ang equation of a line given ang slope and y-intercept. So, let us continue. So, we're supposed to have the slope, which is your m, and your y-intercept, which is your b. So, if your slope is 4, and then your y-intercept is -7, then what will be the equation of a line? So, ito po ang susundin natin, the slope-intercept form. So, I will copy y equals blank x plus blank y. Etong m, since ito yung kailangan natin, the slope, which is your m, and then your b, ito yung nakapwesto dito, that is your y-intercept. Okay? So, kukumpletuhin natin siya using this as slope-intercept form. So, y equals mx plus b. Your m and b are given. Okay? So, we will substitute. So, your m here is 4. Okay? And then your b, which is your y-intercept, that is negative 7. So, therefore, if we will simplify this, kasi hindi ito po pwede na meron tayong negative dito, tas may plus ka dito. So, isi-simplify natin to. So, therefore, we will have y is equal to 4x positive times negative, that is negative. So, y is equal to 4x minus 7. Okay, let's have another. So, this will be the equation of a line given the slope, which is 4, and your y-intercept, which is negative 7. Next, I have here slope, which is negative 2, and then your y-intercept, which is your b, is equal to 10. So, again, we will copy the formula or the slope-intercept form, y equals m, x plus b. So, your m here is negative 2. Ito po siya. And then your y-intercept, which is your b, that is positive 10. So, if we will simplify this, since positive naman ito, so wala tayong kailangan pang i-multiply dito sa signs natin. So, we will have y is equal to negative 2x plus 10. So, tatanggalin na lang natin itong parenthesis. Okay, let's continue. So, this is the equation of a line given the slope negative 2 and y-intercept 10. Next, what if your slope is a fraction, which is 2/3, and then your y-intercept is negative 12? So, let's copy the slope-intercept form. So, y equals blank x plus blank. So, your m is 2/3. And then your y-intercept, which is your b, ito siya, your b, your y-intercept is negative 12. Okay, since meron tayong negative dito, what will happen? Kagaya nito, so kapag nag-negative yung isa dyan, ibig sabihin negative na to. Okay, so let us simplify. So you will have y is equal to 2/3 x positive times negative, that is negative 12. Okay, so therefore, the equation of a line is y is equal to 2/3 x minus 12. Now, take note. Since wala namang hinihinging form kung paano mo isusulat ang equation of the line, then pwede na po ito. So, yung naka-form ng slope-intercept form. Pero kung ang hinihingi po sa atin na equation of a line is in standard form, then you have to write this, to rewrite the given as slope-intercept form into standard form. So, let me repeat. Kapag ang hinihingi po, wala namang instruction kung anong form ng equation of a line ang hinihingi. So, okay na po ito. Pero kapag ang direction is write the equation of a line given the slope and y-intercept in standard form. So, kapag may hiningin standard form, then you have to rewrite this into standard form. Okay? Paano tayo magre-write ng slope-intercept to standard form? You may rewatch the video dun sa ating rewriting. Pwede nyo pong balikan ang ating video tutorial about dun. Let's have another example. So, if I have slope of negative 3/4 and then your y-intercept is negative 4/5. So, therefore, what is the equation of a line? So, i-substitute natin dito si m. So, we're just following this form ha. So, y is equals to m. What is your m? Negative 3/4. And then plus b. Your b is negative 4/5. So, ilagi natin siya ipaparenthesis. Okay? And then, let us simplify. So, we will have y is equal to negative 3/4 x. So, positive times negative, that will become negative. So, minus 4/5. Okay? Next. So, this is the equation of a line. Next, if I have m is equal to negative 10, and then b is equal to 5/7, so therefore, we will have, copy natin yung ating form, so y is equal to mx plus b. So, your m is negative 10, your b, your y-intercept is 5/7. Okay, let us simplify. Dapat mawala tong parenthesis. So, we will have y is equal to negative 10x plus 5 over 7. Okay, since wala namang negative dyan, so this is plus. Okay, next. So this is the equation of a line. Now, what if you have m is equal to 0 and then your y-intercept is negative 6. Now, if you can still recall yung video tutorial natin doon sa describing the graph of the line given the intercept. So, kagaya nito, ang given lang natin ay intercept. Diba nung nag-graph tayo doon, so yung mga hindi pa napanood, pwede nyo pong balikan at panoorin yon. Okay, so diba kapag ang slope natin is 0, therefore the graph of the line is a horizontal line and it crosses the y-axis. So kapag ang slope natin ay 0, automatic, the given point, okay, yung point niya, it lies on the y-axis because it crosses the y-axis. So, kapag ang slope natin ay 0, ha? If your slope naman is undefined, it crosses your x-axis. Okay. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? So, if your slope is 0, so, it crosses the y-axis rather. So, therefore, ang equation natin will be your y-intercept. Yun na po. Kahit hindi na natin isolve yan or hindi na natin gawin ito. Okay? So, the equation of the line is y is equal to negative 6. Ito na po siya mismo. So, since this is your y-intercept, so y is equal to negative 6. So, wala siyang part na to. Wala ito. Okay? Kasi your slope is 0. So, ulitin ko, if your slope is 0, therefore, it touches or it crosses your y-axis. So, that is y-intercept. So, y is equal to negative 6. You just have to copy this. Okay? Okay, let's have this one. Find the equation of the line with a slope of negative 1 and y-intercept of 20. So, minsan po, ang binibigay sa atin ay hindi kaagad yung m at yung b. So, kung ang m at b ang binigay sa atin, that's easy, diba? Now, what if ang binigay sa atin is naka-statement form? So, kagaya nito. Find the equation of the line with a slope of negative 1 and y-intercept of 20. Now, first thing you do is you have to identify the given. So, yun muna ang unang gagawin. Ano yung given? Ano yung binigay? Okay? So, your slope here is negative 1. And then, your y-intercept is positive 20. So, yun po muna ang una natin gagawin. Identify muna natin kung ano yung given. Okay? Magagamit nyo rin po yung process na yon sa mga susunod na form. Okay? So, identify muna kung ano yung given para alam kung anong gagamitin. Now, so your slope and y-intercept are given in the given statement. So, ito po, given yung slope at yung y-intercept natin. So, therefore, we will have m. Your slope is m, which is negative 1. And then your y-intercept, which is your b, is positive 20. So, meron na tayo nito. So, kahit naka-statement form pa yan, basta ang importante, alam natin kung paano mag-identify ng given. Okay? So, following this form, so we will have y is equal to mx plus b. So, your m is negative 1 and your b is positive 20. Now, we cannot have a coefficient of 1 beside the variable. So, hindi tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng coefficient na 1 na isisulat pa natin beside the variable. So, kapag ang coefficient mo is already 1 or positive 1, negative 1, no need to write this. Kasi kahit wala yan, automatic the variable is may coefficient siyang 1 dyan. Okay? So, hindi po pwede ito. Okay? So, we will have y is equal to negative x. This means negative 1. So, hindi na natin ilalagay si 1. And then, negative x plus positive 20. So, this is the equation of the line. Next. Find the equation of the line with a slope of 2/5 and y-intercept of negative 8. So again, first thing to do is you have to identify the given. So given ang slope, given ang y-intercept. So we can make use of the slope-intercept form. Okay? kasi slope and y-intercept. So, following this form, y equals mx plus b, we have to look for the m and the b. So, m is your slope, which is 2/5. And then your b, which is your y-intercept, that is negative 8. So, therefore, we will have, substitute lang natin siya dun sa form natin. We will have y is equal to, anong ilalagay natin dito? 2/5 x plus, this is your b is negative 8. Okay, so i-simplify pa natin. So, we will have y is equal to 2/5 x, positive times negative, that is negative, so minus 8 tayo. So, therefore, for number 2, this is the equation of the line.